God. No, it's back in the bag.
Such confidence. Fine. If you're not going in the bag, just stay away from water, soap, antibacterial gel, moist towelettes, or anything else that might wash away the kiss that brings you life. Hey, have you guys seen my hand? The magic one? Not this one. I think it's in a shop.
Well, you guys, I'll be back in a second, so peace.
Now you will fade not into eternal slumber. Rest gently, dear friend. Rest now. Why aren't you resting gently?
Hans, are you prepared?
Prepared for what?
Hans and I have a date tonight.
You and my hand have a date? You and my hand have a date?
Yes, we have the mutually reciprocating feelings of the romance.
You and my hand?
Yes,
You and my hand
yes,
are going on a date.
that is correct.
You and my hand?
Yes,
You and my hand?
yes,
Can I come?
no. I am sorry, Robin, but 3 is a number that is often clouded.
You guys, 1 second, I'm just putting on my wig.
Kids have fun now. So happy for you. You guys knew about this?
Alright, you guys, well, let me go turn on the light, bro. Alright, let me go. Turn on the light first. I don't really work out, so I'm just finished for fun, so. But, no. Well, time for the tip. Alright, guys, so today, well, so guys, well, it's, wait, just don't talk again to the video. Actually, the challenge is try to drink some water without no burping. But here goes the bottle. I usually use my mom's cup because my cup is dirty. So, but I'm still trying to get into the video. I'm trying so hard not to burp, but
Fairy tales ahead of hygiene and unwilling to let my hand become a zombie. I'll never let it happen again.
But you did the savings of my life. Please allow me to express the gratitude.
It's more Teen Titans Go. Did you miss us? Speaking of which, Snoop Dogg pretty tough. They are. That's why we're going to be fighting them every day.
well, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Well, I don't really have a channel, or it's on my name, so, well, if you enjoyed the video, just leave a like, comment in the description what you want me to do next, and then, yeah, that's it. Peace. Wait, but 1 second. I gotta show you guys some of my shoes. Well, comment if you like them or not. I'm about to get the shoes. Well, comment. Wait, I can't. Wait, I can't see right. I can't see right. It's these shoes. They're the OVO. They're the 12, the OVO 12s. They blue and yeah. And I got some more shoes. You guys might like. Y'all want to see the TV again? Well, that's not I got two. So wait, but I got some more shoes I can show you guys. Well, I got the Space Jams, and I got these, and my curtains upstairs. I don't feel like going up there. And I got these, and let me show you some of my mom's shoes. Well, she got the pink Pumas. Yeah. She got these. She got these, the Chucks, the black Chucks. She got green Chucks. She got Nikes. She got these Herman Nikes. Well, comment if you like them or not. But I hope you guys like them. Yeah. Don't they look tight? Hey, I'm gonna need a bunch of these. Well, and she got Air Forces, they black. And after she got these. She got Nikes. Yeah. And one more. She got these. Let me get up open light. She got these shoes. And let me show you the guys of your 12s. Well, here goes my OVO 12s. They look good, right? And these. And these. And where we go? The Space Jam. And one more thing. And these shoes. So, well, yeah. You guys want to see my animal? I got an animal. Well, let me go show you real quick. Where'd he go? Yeah, y'all see him right there. Let me see. Let me show y'all. Wait, y'all see him right there. Y'all see him? Man, this dude probably not down. Wait, you guys, I'm just gonna face the camera the other way too. You guys can see him. Well, no, I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna end the video. Well, look there. You see him now? Now do you guys see him? Get the light up, open the way. Y'all see him now? Y'all see him? Yeah, I don't see him. Well, yeah, well, y'all can see the cage, but I can't really see him because he's behind the rock. Matter of fact, I'm about to see him, so just wait 1 second while I get him out. I'm gonna bring him to the light, and then you guys see him. Wait. Come over here, boy. Come over here, boy. You wanna get whooping? Wait, you guys. I got him out. Well, yeah, I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna show you. Wait, what? Yeah, well. Y'all see him? Wait. Yeah, y'all see him all up in the camera. He said, hi, YouTube. Yeah, well.
I will not get in on that. Spicy foods are my only weakness.
Try some pizza with dial. It ain't spicy.
what's in it.
Mostly tomatoes.
I like tomatoes. Innocent tomatoes!
Oh, there's some onions in there too.
Onions!
Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Well, I already put it on there, but still, subscribe to my channel. Put on post notifications, and comment if you like my animal and my mom's shoes and my shoes. Well, peace.